welcome to Lilly Beauty Mantra. This is Mahin, and in today's video we're gonna talk about very affordable and very effective product. It's nothing but glycerin. Well, according to my knowledge, maybe a lot of people don't know a lot about glycerin, but glycerin, it is used in every soap and shampoo you use every day. This is also used as medications for dry, scaly and rough skin, and also for some skin irritations. Now this glycerin has a substance called as emollients. This helps in soften your skin and it also moisturizes your skin. There is no specific process for it. You just need to use it as serum. Instead of using any other serums, you can switch it with this. You can use it for daily routines, and you can also use it as moisturizer before applying makeups. Dry skin is caused because of loss of water, and this glycerin, it forms an upper oily layer and it traps water in it. So this glycerin, you can use it also for face serum and as well as for hair serum. As for hair serums, you need to damp your hands in water and apply few drops of glycerin and massage your hair thoroughly. It reduces hair frizzing and also make your hair very moisturized. And for face, you can add rose water with glycerin, or you can also for mask you can switch water instead of glycerin. Like when you use turmeric mask, you can add turmeric powder and also glycerin with it, so it moisturizes your skin very nicely. So that's it for now. If you find this video useful, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe the video. See you in the next video. Bye.